Hello everyone, so here is the solution for question of the day posted on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram handle. So let's see what is given in this question here. In covering a certain distance, the speed of A and B are in the ratio of 3:4. So here A and B covers a certain distance and also the ratio of speed is given. A takes 30 minutes more than B to reach the destination, and also a relation between the time taken by A and B is given. The time taken by A to reach the destination is, so here we have to find the time taken by A to reach that particular destination. So let us start with the solution. So first of all, let us take the distance as x, y or 100 kilometer, whatever you feel like. So I am here taking this certain distance as d kilometer. So let the distance covered be d kilometer. Now speed is given. Now ratio of speed is given. So let us write down speed of A over speed of B is equals to 3/4. This is the ratio. Now the actual speed of A must be 3x and actual speed of B must be 4x. Now since here we have taken distance in kilometer and we see the option here is mentioned as 1 hour, 2 hour or 1.5 hour, 2.5 hours. So this speed must be in the form of 3x kilometer per hour. Now we know the distance and speed. So from here we can find out the time taken by A and time taken by B. So let us write down time taken by A is what? Distance upon speed. This is the formula. So distance covered is d and speed is 3x. So this is the time taken by A. Now similarly we can find out the time taken by B, which is d over 4x. Now in the next statement a relation is given between the time taken by A and B. So according to question, time taken by A 30 minutes more than time taken by B. So let us write down time taken by B plus 30 minutes. Right. So now we know the time taken by A and time taken by B. So let us put the values here. So time taken by A is d over 3x and time taken by B is d over 4x plus 30 minutes. So let us write down 30 minutes in the form of hours. So that is 30 over 60. Now let us solve this. So from here we get d over 3x minus d over 4x is equals to 1/2. So now taking LCM on the left hand side, we get 4d minus 3d in the numerator and in the denominator as 12x, that is equals to 1/2. Now on the left hand side we get d over 12x and on the right hand side 1/2. Now we need to find the time taken by A, and here we know that time taken by A is 3 over dx. So let us break this denominator part, which is 12x, in the form of d over 3x. So we can write down d over 12x as 3x into 4, right? which is equals to 1 by 2. So from here we get the value of d over 3x as 4 over 2. So from here we get the value, cancelling the common part in the right hand side, we get 2. So from here we get the value of d over 3x is equals to 2. And since we are talking about time, so this is equals to 2 hours. So that means d over 3x is time taken by A. So let us write down time taken by A is equals to 2 hours. So here option C is the correct answer. So I hope you've enjoyed the question of the day. We post such interesting question on social media platform every day. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Also for solutions, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.